Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download stems on Epidemic Sound. Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic Sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. All right, so first up, go ahead and find your specific music or the music that you wanted to download. Okay, for example, just this one. You can click on it. And then once done, go ahead and click on download. And then after that, click on this drop down under full track and stems. You could go ahead and download the zip file if you want to download the full mix, melody, instruments, bass, and drums. Or you could just download a single stem. For example, just the melody, just the instruments, just the bass, or just the drums. But if I were you, I'm going to download the whole zip. Okay? Download it. Wait for the process to finish. Save it wherever you want. Once that's done, right-click on the RAR file or zip file, extract it. And as you can see, you now have the full mix, you have the bass, you have the drums, you have the melody, and the instruments only. So you have it. That's how simple it is to download stems on Epidemic Sound. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.